Hello and welcome to Monday's Assembly. As always, I'm so pleased that you're here today. I hope you had a good weekend. I know it was a bit rainy and I had to stay in a bit more than I would have wanted to, but the weather is supposed to get better as the week goes on, so hopefully you'll be able to get out and about and enjoy some sunshine because that's really good for you. Sunshine is good. It gives you lots of vitamin D. It helps you to feel better about things. Now, also, it gives you time to be able to take part in the 30 Days Wild because that's not our challenge for this week, but it is the challenge for this month. So keep doing those wonderful things in the wild. But remember that you can still do things inside, and we have some great videos that were done by Miss Jackson on how frogs grow and amazing photos and videos. But also we have Miss Callahan who made lots of videos on the development of a caterpillar into a butterfly. So make sure you have a look at those video playlists because those are amazing things to take part in for 30 Days Wild. Now, I'm sure you are just bursting to know what this week's challenge is. But before I tell you about the challenge, I want to tell you a little bit about Queen Elizabeth and her birthdays.
On the 21st of April, 1926, Princess Elizabeth was born to the Duke and Duchess of York. Her uncle became King Edward, but in 1936, when she was 10 years old, he abdicated and her father became the new king. She became the queen in 1952 when her father died. Now she's 94 years old and has been serving as the monarch of our country for many, many years. Now, official celebrations to mark the sovereign's birthday have often been held on a day other than the actual birthday, particularly when the actual birthday has not been in the summer. An example is King Edward II. He was born on the 9th of November, but his official birthday was marked throughout the reign in May or June. Now, birthday
Queen Elizabeth
parade is called
she
celebrates her official
color.
birthday on the second Saturday in the month of June, which this year is the 13th of June, this coming Saturday. On her official birthdays, usually Her Majesty is joined by other members of the royal family at the spectacular Trooping of the Colour Parade, which moves between Buckingham Palace, the Mall, and the House Guards Parade, as well as a public appearance in the balcony of Buckingham Palace. However, this year it's going to be different. Because we're in lockdown, we're not going to have a parade, we're not going to have the grand celebrations.
Wow, that was interesting, wasn't it? Finding out she celebrates 2 birthdays, but poor thing, she's had to celebrate it in lockdown like lots of us have. Have you had to celebrate your birthday during lockdown? I know I have. And so has my son and my husband. Oh my! But we still made it a special day. Now, your challenge this week is to make Queen Elizabeth's official birthday a very special day. Your challenge is to create something for her birthday. Now, it could be anything, but here are some ideas.
You may want to make the Queen a very special birthday card that we'll be able to share. Or you can make some party hats. Maybe make them into crowns. Wouldn't that be special? Oh, and don't forget the bunting. Make some lovely bunting to decorate around your house. No party is good without one. And all sorts of other decorations that might put you and the Queen into the festive spirit. Or how about creating and designing a birthday cake for the Queen? And not only designing it, baking it, and making a special afternoon tea. Or you could write a poem for the Queen. An acrostic poem would be fantastic for you to share with her.
So, what are you going to do for the Queen's birthday? Oh, maybe it's a cake. Or maybe a birthday card. It could be anything, but make sure you let us know about it. You can tweet it to us on our Twitter account, or you can email it to your class teacher, and we'll make sure we'll put it together in an amazing celebration assembly that I will send to Queen Elizabeth herself as well, to let her know that Newlands Primary School is thinking about her, even though we're having to celebrate in lockdown. So it's time to get started, make some amazing things for her birthday, and I can't wait to see them. Have a good week. Bye.